Hi, so today we're going to learn about the word wet. This is the word wet. This will be our sight word for today. Can you say the word wet?
Wet.
Nice job. Okay, do you know what wet means?
Like water?
Water, yeah. Water can get someone wet, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what the opposite of wet is?
Dry.
Nice job. Really good. You know what the opposite is. Can you use wet in a sentence?
The water is wet.
Great. Can you use it in another sentence?
I am wet. I got wet.
When does someone get wet?
When they get water on them.
When they go water, yeah, good job. Okay. Who can get wet?
Anybody can get wet.
Yeah, you're right. Okay. This is a picture. This is a picture of a little girl who's wet at a water park.
She's playing in the water.
Yeah.
Cool.
She got wet. Nice job. Okay. Okay. We're gonna practice spelling out and saying the word. I can't even see it. Okay. What is the first sound of wet?
What?
Can you point and touch and drag the what sound to the line below? Oops. Can you do it again and say the sound as you drag it?
What?
Nice job. What is the second sound of wet?
Eh.
Nice job. Can you drag down the second sound of wet?
Eh.
Good job. Wonderful. Can you drag down the third sound? Or what is the third sound of wet?
T.
Wonderful. Can you drag down the third sound of wet and say it?
T.
Nice job. I'm going to point to the letter and you're going to say the sound. Okay?
What? Eh. T.
Okay, we're going to do it all together now, okay?
Wet.
And just go again.
Wet.
Let's go faster.
Wet.
Nice job. You just sounded out wet.
Hey, good job.
And the second word. Okay, so the reason why we talked a lot about wet is because we're going to read a book today. And this book is going to have the word in it.
Okay.
Somewhere. Okay, so we'll get rid of these so we get distracted. Okay, can you read the title of this book?
Fireflies.
Nice job. What do you think we're going to talk about or read about?
Fireflies.
Yeah, what do you think they're going to teach us in the book? What about fireflies?
Maybe what they do
Yeah?
or where they live.
Yeah, nice job. Okay, so we're going to turn to the first page, and I'd like you to read as far as you can.
Okay. Here is a firefly. Sometimes fireflies are also called lightning bugs.
Lightning bugs, good job. You read that part?
A firefly is an insect.
Wonderful. Just want to mess with a word and then I'll write it down.
Yeah.
For...
Have you ever seen little flashes of light at night? The little I don't know. Flashing lights are being made by fireflies. The firefly's light can be yellow, green, or orange.
Awesome. Should we keep going? Like to read the whole book?
Sure.
Listen to it. I'm going to write down.
A firefly is not a fly. A firefly is not a bug. Fireflies are
Beetles?
beetles. They have 2 pairs of wings and they have 2 big eyes.
Good job.
Fireflies live in grass and around Bushes. They like to live in places where it is warm and wet.
Nice. You're reading really well.
Thanks. Fireflies lay their eggs in the spring. Do I have to read this part too?
Yeah.
Fireflies lay eggs in the ground. The eggs hatch in 3 or 4 weeks. Little worms come out of the eggs. The little worms are called
I sounded out.
larvae.
Nice.
The larva eats bugs in the ground.
Awesome. So let's stop right here. What
Okay.
have we learned so far?
That fireflies are not flies.
Correct. They are beetles.
Mm-hmm.
We'll say bugs. Okay. What was the main focus of the book so far?
Talking about fireflies, and it told us about them.
You're right. Good job. We'll keep going. We're almost there.
In the winter, the firefly larva goes to sleep. They sleep in the ground and they sleep under tree bark.
Why do you think they sleep under tree bark?
I don't know, maybe because it's dark.
It's dark, yeah. Do you think tree bark is really hard and sturdy, so
Yeah, like
helps?
a good house for them.
Yeah, it's like their house. Okay. Oh, I guess that's it. The end!
Yay!
Nice job.
Thanks.
I loved how hardworking you were.
Thanks.
Okay, so there is one little phrase on page 4. Can you reread the last sentence right here?
A firefly's light can be yellow, green, or orange.
Good job. So you struggled the first time reading that.
Yeah.
So we're going to write that down. You're going to write that down on a sheet of paper, and it'll have lines, and you're going to read that phrase to someone, and they're going to sign it off.
Okay.
Okay? The end. I was like, because that's pocket phrases. I don't know how to show that. Okay.